Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Chemteachby-zee. Today we will discuss about the basics definitions of chemistry. So as I already told you about chemistry, it's a branch of science in which we deals about the composition, structure, properties and reactions of matter. Basically in chemistry we discuss about matter because our whole world form from matter and energy. So in chemistry we study about matter. Anything that have mass and occupy space is called matter. Here mass is related to quantity of matter. For example, water, stone, air, your mobile phones, your laptop, and your also is an example of matter. Our bodies as well as all the things around us is matter. We study four things related to matter: composition of matter, structure of matter, properties of matters, and changes possible related to matter. Means to say, what is the composition of matter and what is the structure of matter, any type of matter, and what are the properties a matter has, and what type of changes possible in a matter. So let's briefly discuss the two classifications of matter: physical and chemicals. In physical, there are seven states of matter, but the three main states, solid, liquid and gases, these are on normal temperature, and the remaining states that are depend upon the extraordinary temperature. And in a chemical, there are two further classes: pure matter and impure matter. The pure matter that are called as substance, and the impure matter that are known as mixture. As the name shows, mixture means impure matter, two different substances, or you can say two same substances, but it has one or two substances that are mixed together is called impure matter, or you can say mixture. And the mixture is of two types: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Means if two same substances are added in a mixture is called homogeneous mixture, and if two different substances are added in a mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. And the other pure form of matter is called substance. For example, we have a coal, and all the particles of coal form from carbon. And if we have a diamond or gold, all the particles of diamond and gold are made from carbon. So these are the substances. Substance have two further classes: elements and compounds. If we discuss about elements is the smallest component of a substance that form atom. For example, hydrogen, oxygen. And compound is also a smallest component of substance that form molecule. For example, if we add two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen, these combine to form water molecule. Now we discuss about the properties of substances: physical properties and chemical properties. In the physical properties of substance, a substance has physical properties like smell, taste, hardness, and shapes of crystals, solubility, melting and boiling point of a substance. Means to say, if we have any substance, what is the property of substance, that is solid, liquid, or you can say, okay, what is the shape of that substance, what is the melting point, and what is the boiling point, what is the solubility point of that substance. For example, when an ice is heated, it melts and form water, and on further heating, water convert into steam. It means that in the entire process, only the physical state of water changes, whereas the chemical composition remains same. And the chemical properties of a substance depend upon the composition of substance. के substance की composition उसमें change हो जाती है chemical properties में. For example, when a substance is undergo chemical change, its composition changes and a new substance is formed. For example, when we composition of water molecule, it form hydrogen and oxygen gases. It means that in the starting, when we decompose a water molecule, the water molecule is in liquid state, and when we decompose it, it convert into gas state. For example, hydrogen and oxygen. So this is the today's lecture. In the next video we will discuss about the elements. For this, stay tuned with me. Hope so this video will be helpful for all of you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.